the sound in the back of my bedroom today. Now, it's kind of hard to even get an idea of getting more noise than this. Oh, now they're shutting it off. I've turned on the camera, so they've shut off the machine. I've turned on the camera, so they shut the machine off. Now, that's kind of a coincidence, isn't it? That they have that big machine in the back of my bedroom today. But when I come out with the camera, they've shut it off. Now, isn't that a coincidence? That just as I come out with the camera, now, why would they do that? Why, as soon as I came out with the camera, would they shut the machine off that's in the back of my bedroom? Why would they do that? This house in the back of my bedroom. Why, as soon as I came out with my camera, did they shut the machine off? Now that's interesting. Of course, I do live in the neighborhood of Costa, Serena, which is a gang stalking neighborhood that uses noise as a harassment tactic. Now, as soon as I came out with the camera, they shut the machine off. That's interesting. Do you think that's interesting? Now, why would they do that? When I turn on the camera, they turn the noise off. Why would they do that? Why would they do that? Now, it's in the back of my bedroom where I have these things, sound machines, to blunt the noise in the back of my house this morning, which woke me up. Now, I came out with the camera and they shut the machine off. What does that tell you? That this work is absolutely necessary? If they shut it off when I turn on the camera? What does that tell you about what's going on in the development of Costa Serena in the back of my bedroom? They shut it off when I turned on the camera. Don't they have to do work? What happened to the work that they have to do when I shut the camera down? When I turn the camera on, excuse me.